So the next thing that we need to treat now is what? We are still on under quantum's what? Quantum number. Let me rewrite it here. We are still on under what? What? Quantum number. So I said we have three what? Principal quantum what? Number. So I said the second one is what? Sorry, is azimuthal. Azimuthal what? Quantum number. And the third one is magnetic. The last one is what? Spin quantum what? Number. But I said spin, you know what as X. This one is what? M. This is L. This is what? N. So I've explained the principal quantum number. That is what? Is a quantum number that is explaining the energy level of an electron and the size of what? Of orbital by using KLML shell. So, and the maximum number of electrons which can be obtained in each cell is what? 2n exponential 2. So the next one now is what? Azimuthal quantum what? Quantum number. So let's treat as what? Azimuthal quantum number is known as what? As R. So this azimuthal quantum number is the one that is explain the shape of what? Shape of orbitals. So this man tell us the what? The shape of what? Of S what? The shape of orbital. So for instance now, we have S what? Orbital. And it tell us that what? The shape of S orbital, the man said is what? Is spherical. Is what? Spherical shape. So the shape of S orbital is what? Is spherical shape. And the shape of S orbital is look like this in 3 dimensions. And we have third one like this. This is P what? Py. Here we have Pz. This place we have P what? Px. So this is what? The shape of what? Of S orbital is what? Spherical. So this is what? Shape of S orbital, which is what? Spherical, according to the what? Azimuthal quantum what? Quantum number. And the next one is what? Shape of what? Of P orbital. The shape of P orbital is dumbbell. P orbital with what? Is what? Dumbbell with 3 folds. And this is what? How the shape of P orbital look alike. This is Py, Pz, Px, Py, Pz, Px, then plus another Px, Py, Pz. Yes. So we have the lobes here. This one is we call it Py orbita. So the lobe shifts to the what? Z here. This is what we call what? Pz orbita. Then the load shift to what? X here. This is what we call what? Px orbita. So if we now combine the three together, it will now give us what? This is the P what? So P Z Y P Z P X. This one we call it what? P orbita. And this is what we call what? Dumbbell shape of P what? P orbital. So the P orbital have three folds. What's the first fold? Py, Pz, Px. So when they combine together to give you what? P orbital, and this is the shape of what? P orbital, called what? Dumbbell shape. And the next one is what? The shape of d orbital. The shape of d orbital is known as what? Double dumbbell. Double what? Dumbbell. That's the shape of what? Of d orbital. The shape of f orbital is double double dumb double dumbbell. Wait for double what? Double dumbbell, or you can also call it what? Complex shape. Complex what? Shape, or rosette shape. That is what? The shape of what? F orbital. So the diagram of D and F orbitals are not required in the what? In the syllabus. So the next thing is what? Let us, this azimuthal quantum number also give us what? The real value for S orbital, P orbital, D orbital, and what? F orbital. So it's also give us what? The value of what? Of orbitals. Let me say this is n. This n represents what? Principal quantum number. Here we have type of what? Orbitals. So this place will be what? Orbitals. And here we have L. The L is equal to the what? N minus 1. That is what? The value for what? Azimuthal quantum what? Quantum number is the N minus what? Minus 1. So this L is what? Azimuthal quantum what? Quantum number. This N represents principal quantum number. So what are the type of orbitals we have? The first orbitals we have here, we have what? S orbital, we have P, we have D, and we have F. Good. So the principal quantum number for S orbital is 1. For P orbital is 2, D orbital is 3, F orbital is 4. The N is the energy what? Energy level. This is the first orbital. That's why this one is what? Is N. Second orbital, 2. Third orbital, N is this. But how are we going to know the what? The azimuthal value for S orbital. We will subtract the 1 from principal. What is principal? 1. 1 minus 1, it will give us what? 0. So the principal azimuthal quantum number for S orbital is what? Is 0. So for P, 2 minus 1, it will give us what? 1. For D, 3 minus 1 is give us what? 2. For F is give us what? 3. So this is the what? These are the value for what? Azimuthal quantum number for all these orbitals. So, hello, don't forget that what? The azimuthal quantum number has two functions. It is explain the what? The shape of orbital. Tell you that what? S orbital is spherical shape, P orbital is dumbbell, D orbital is double dumbbell, F orbital is complex shape or rosette shape or double dumbbell. And this azimuthal quantum number can also tell us what? The real value for SPDF orbital. For S orbital, the value for S orbital, the azimuthal value for S orbital is 0. For P orbital is 1. D orbital is what? 2. F orbital is what? Is 3. That is what? Azimuthal quantum number for what? For the atomic what? Orbital.